Okay, you all, let's be real. If you're thinking of buying land in this particular part of Abakaliki, you better come prepared because land here is no joke. If your budget isn't above 50 million to say 100 million naira, you might want to look elsewhere because this particular area in Abakaliki is strictly for the big boys and serious investors, if you know what I mean. Okay, welcome to Centenary City. This place is called the Centenary City in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, and is one of the most prestigious locations you can think of. If you're thinking real estate, if you're thinking government reserved areas, if you're thinking where the big boys and big girls of Ebonyi State live, it's this place. It's not just land, it's gold. The serenity, the quietness, it's everything you can ever want and more. This city is home to multiple estates, the government reserved areas, the governor's lodge, the governor's office, and key ministries. The level of infrastructure here is simply top tier. Even drone footage cannot capture the full beauty of this place, I tell you. You need to see it for yourself. With the rapid development happening in Ebonyi State, land here isn't getting cheaper at all. And if you don't buy now, you might regret it later. So what are you waiting for? If you have the money, please come and get your land here. It's just the perfect place to live in. Are you a real estate developer, business owner, investor, any kind of brand, and you're looking for media coverage, advertising opportunities, you're looking for what to invest your money in, reach out to us via the number showing on your screen for exclusive features and promotions and amazingly great returns on your investment. At Ebonyi People TV, we do all of these and so much more. So if I were you, I'll put a call or a message across to the number now showing on your screen. Let's put your brand on the map.